Marami nating produktong puwedeng i-export, eh, among the usual mango, pineapple,
Yes.
bananas natin ano. Ngayon of course yung trust natin sa ube rin, we're very excited in that at nagbigay ng Pangulo ng 300 million pesos. And, just to inform you ang US also nagbigay din ng grant for ube
Mhm.
to our country 'no. I forgot lang the exact amount pero hindi
Okay.
maliit, malaki. So that's exciting.
Sikat na sikat ang ube, but are the farmers benefiting? There are many stories about how the farmer is not the one that benefits. Malamang na naman traders.
Well, sa ngayon, I think even the farmer kahit na may trader in between, medyo malaki yung maganda yung presyo, eh. So, they're still benefiting but, ang problema ngayon kasi sa ube, it's not about, the farmer or the trader benefiting, it's kulang ng ano, eh,
Ng
ng planting
supply.
material, ng planting material. So,
Mm,
even the traders are buying it, binibili nila ng mahal, eh, basta
mm,
meron yung farmer, eh. So ngayon, yan ang main goal natin for 1 year. We will probably the DA will not probably but we will multiply yung ating planting material by 10 times in
mm,
1 year.
mm.
So yun ang aming target sa ngayon. Then once we do that for 1 year, then we will have 10 times more supply na. Hopefully in concentrated areas, no, we're not going to do it all over the country, so we can protect the farmers from the
Right.
traders and all of that, no. And lalagay natin yung mga production area
Like I
near the
suppose
processing
Bohol.
plants na.
Bohol, because Bohol is,
Bohol would be one.
yeah.
Kilala na sila eh.
Oo. Secretary, baka naman meron ng ibang ASEAN nation na kumuha niyan at gawing kanila. I mean, we've seen
Meron
that
na
happen. Like,
meron na ho. Kaya nga
naku patay, paano po
this
yan?
is a race and we've nag-geographic tagging na tayo, geographic indication, nag-intellectual property na tayo among all, and we're keeping our varieties a secret na, no? We're not saying this brand or this brand or this brand. We're coding everything. So we have to keep it close to our heart para nga hindi tayo
Yes.
makaman.
Oh, so it's happening already.
Yeah, there's one country hindi ko na mention but of course we're aware of that and
How do we
we're
stop that?
Yun na nga, by first of all, ipapatent natin yung sarili nating planting material. Meron na tayong naka-DNA na, naka-genome sequencing na siya. So, parang hindi na pwede i-claim ng iba. So, but we have to do it quietly and fast.
Like for instance, bangus, na-hijack yan ng Taiwan, di ba? Or,
Well, traditionally, meron din naman sila actually.
ganun ba?
Oo.
Okay.
Pero yung ube, medyo uniquely ours talaga yan eh. Like calamansi natin.
But food heritage advocates say, we're focusing so much on ube, pero ang dami nating mga unique. Kunyari, for instance, yung durian. Ang dami nating variety, gusto pa natin ng imported from our neighbors. Is that
Yes.
also something oy, is that your alert?
Not mine.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't.
All right.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Basically, yes. We're actually focusing on about now, including ube, mga 15 products na, no, for export, and
Can
we're
you name
doing it.
some off the top of your head?
Dragon fruit, calamansi nga, durian, cacao, coffee, pandagdag pa yung mga heirloom rice varieties natin. Ang heirloom rice natin from Ifugao, dati nag-export tayo, ngayon halos wala na. So we want to bring it back to its former glory. Yeah.
Okay.
Or more.